Hello and welcome. Today we'll explore how Userlane helps enterprises ensure data quality at scale by embedding real-time validation and guidance directly into the software applications where data is entered. If you're navigating complex ERP, CRM, HR systems, or any browser-based applications where data accuracy directly impacts compliance, reporting, and AI readiness, this session is for you. Despite significant investments in digital tools, organizations face persistent challenges in data integrity. End users often operate in systems without contextual guidance. They guess formats, overlook requirements, or refer to outdated documentation. The result? Inconsistent inputs, errors that ripple across systems and result in compliance risks and costly cleanup efforts that slow down automation, analytics, and regulatory reporting. Data errors aren't just minor inconveniences, they can lead to significant financial losses and operational inefficiencies. Enterprises need a scalable solution that ensures data is entered correctly at the source before errors occur. Userlane embeds intelligent, proactive guidance and data quality controls directly into your business applications, ensuring accuracy at the point of entry and reducing costly downstream issues. Leveraging two integrated capabilities, tooltips, and validators, Userlane ensures data accuracy by overlaying real-time best practice tips and validation in business applications. Contextual tooltips seamlessly integrated into form fields deliver clear, user-specific guidance right at the moment it's needed. They remove ambiguity, reduce the risk of errors, and ensure users enter the right information without disrupting their workflow. For additional support, tooltips can link directly to interactive guidance or relevant documentation. This makes them especially valuable for complex or infrequently performed processes and for critical fields where accuracy is essential. Validators act as a lightweight, always-on safety net for form inputs. They highlight fields with incorrect or missing values as the user interacts with them, providing real-time visual feedback and custom error messages. This reduces the likelihood of incorrect or incomplete submissions and reinforces correct data behavior across all users, even when they're not actively using a guide. A key advantage of implementing validators and tooltips is the ability to continuously enhance their effectiveness through actionable analytics. With tooltip analytics, you can monitor interactions with all tooltips over time, as well as dive deeper to see more granular data for individual tooltips. With AI-powered insight, you can determine whether certain tooltips are being utilized and have high view rates or are being ignored, both of which could indicate that the tooltip needs to be adjusted or the guidance isn't prominent enough and needs to be optimized. Validator analytics can help identify fields with the highest error rates and the most common input issues. Monitoring performance of validators can assist in optimizing the validation experiences across the platform. For example, validators with high average number of attempts to correct suggest users struggle to get it right. This could indicate unclear instructions which can be easily adjusted. For both tooltip and validator analytics, time filters can be applied to correlate tooltip and validator interactions with product changes, onboarding steps, or feature launches. With user segment filters, you can see if certain roles, departments, or regions are encountering specific challenges, allowing you to fine-tune guidance or even adjust underlying processes. This creates a feedback loop: deploy, measure, optimize. You can refine wording, placement, or targeting to ensure validators and tooltips evolve alongside business rules, compliance needs, and user behavior. Validators and tooltips are configured in the Userlane editor directly within the application, intuitively and with absolutely no coding required. The Userlane editor captures elements automatically, allowing you to select relevant fields and areas for placing tooltips and validators in the application interface by simply clicking. Entering and formatting tips and instructions and linking other helpful resources is just as easy. When creating validators, you describe the desired data format in natural language, and Userlane's AI will generate a regular expression which can be tested and applied as a field rule. Whether Userlane is deployed via browser extension or JavaScript snippet, your content can be published seamlessly to production in mere minutes, targeting relevant user groups and scope to specific areas of your application. Administrators and process owners can easily identify high-risk or high-frequency fields, create tailored tooltip messages and validators using at scale, assigning and publishing to the right users in the most impactful context. The result? Precise, relevant, real-time guidance at scale, without adding complexity for IT or requiring any technical expertise. By guiding users in real time and validating their input at the source, Userlane minimizes human error, reduces associated costs, eliminates risks, improves data integrity, and strengthens the foundation needed for reliable reporting, automation, and AI initiatives. To maximize impact, begin with compliance-critical and error-prone fields, for example, user or tax IDs, currency, email formats, or product codes. Use a combination of tooltips and validators for infrequent workflows that are more susceptible to error. Leverage validator and tooltip analytics to track improvement, uncover hidden friction points, and continuously enhance user experience. Deploying Userlane's validators and tooltips across core business systems delivers tangible, measurable benefits. Risk is mitigated by capturing errors at the point of entry, reducing compliance concerns and audit exposure. Operational costs are lowered by eliminating repetitive data cleanup and rework. Productivity improves as accurate inputs reduce support tickets and enable smoother, more efficient process flows. With Userlane, organizations establish accuracy as a standard and unlock the efficiency to match. Customers have seen up to 89% improvement in data accuracy within months of deployment. Ready to transform your data quality? Start your journey with Userlane today. For more information, contact your account executive or your dedicated customer success team.